Data types. Data types are the classification or categorization of data items. It represents the kind of value that tells what operations can be performed on a particular data. Python data types. Python data types can be divided into 5 types: numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. Numeric again can be divided into 3 types: integer, float, complex number. Sequence type again can be divided into 3 types: strings, list, tuple. Name, type, description. Integers, int, whole numbers such as -2, 3, 300, 200. Floating point, float, numbers with a decimal point 2.3, 4.6, 100.0. Strings, str, ordered sequence of characters, hello, Sammy, 2000. Lists, list, ordered sequence of objects, 10, hello, 200.3. Dictionaries, dict, unordered key, value pairs, my key, value, name, Frankie. Tuples, tup, ordered immutable sequence of objects, 10, hello, 200.3. Sets, set, unordered collection of unique objects, A, B. Booleans, bool, logical value indicating true or false.